Few people are as sharp and as insistent on the integrity and the quality of the information as Rebecca Woolington is. And in this environment, having that rigor is essential.
She is, without a doubt, one of the most tenacious, rigorous, smart, thoughtful, investigative journalists that I've ever worked with. On top of that, she is a brilliant writer. She has the ability to infuse her copy with such emotion that it just makes it so powerful.
Rebecca won the Pulitzer Prize in investigative reporting, which is an incredible achievement in our industry. And she won it working on a story with some amazing colleagues at the paper, looking at a lead factory in Florida and the fact that it was actually poisoning its workers.
That story was emotionally taxing, physically taxing. For 2 years, Rebecca was right there with me. We couldn't have succeeded on behalf of the people in this story without that level of dedication. I can't think of any other person I'd rather be in that foxhole with than Rebecca Woolington. She was put on this earth to be a storyteller, and a damn good one.
I truly think the sky is the limit for Rebecca. I mean, there's just so much good that she can do when she puts her investigative reporting talents and her editing talents to use. I mean, I think we're going to continue to see amazing things from Rebecca for years to come.
She's always been fiery. She just has this drive to not back down, to kind of get at the truth. And that was really instilled in her classes at the University of Oregon and through her experience at the Emerald.
She's committed her career and her life to local news and has been able to do really challenging work under difficult times in the industry and hasn't wavered because she knows how much journalism matters.
One of the things that Rebecca's story shows us is that there are so many different ways to be a great investigative reporter. You don't have to fit this archetype of being kind of a lone wolf or a jerk. I mean, Rebecca is a nice, warm person
Who also happens to be a kick-ass journalist.